Hello friends, welcome back to She's in her apron. She likes to give hugs. Look at her. Are you a hugger? Okay, today we're going to talk about changing our mindset on how we do things in our home and why we do the things that we do. More of like a purpose. You guys know I follow Fly Lady and I love her system. And sometimes I'll alternate things to make it work for me, but for the most part, I follow it. Her cleaning system seriously helped me. I found it when Boston was born, my third child, and it helped me get out of postpartum depression. It's helped me in my home. I'm so thankful for her and her system. She has a new book out called The Chaos Cure or Chaos. I just ordered it. It's on its way here from Amazon. And her acronym for chaos is Can't Have Anyone Over Syndrome. And I'm like, that is genius. That is so true. Because when our house is messy or cluttered, or we're just not happy, we just don't want anyone to come over, we don't invite people over. It's very true. Can't have anyone over syndrome. I'll clean and pick up my home for the yes, because we need a clean home, but like, what if someone knocks on my door? Like, that is seriously a fear. Like, what if someone knocks on my door and when they come in and the house is not where I want it, I'm like, oh, you loser. Like, I put myself down. I'm like, oh, I'm so embarrassed. And it drives me crazy because it's the days that the house isn't where I want it to be when someone comes over. Like, you couldn't have come over yesterday when the house was like seriously beautiful and perfect. It always happens that way, right? So I was thinking about it. I was thinking about chaos. Can't have anybody over syndrome. And it's true. I focus on what if someone knocks on my door today, and I hurry and pick up, which is a good habit to have. Have the areas that if someone were to come over and see, have that picked up. Great. But then I started thinking, when my home is clean or when things are picked up, not perfect, just when it's picked up, I feel great. My kids feel great. I've noticed that, it calms them. It's, having order, it's calming. It feels good. And when I try to get the house picked up again after the kids get home from school and they've made their mess for when Derek comes home, because he's out. He's working, and Derek has a very stressful job. He's a manager. His job is stressful. And so when he comes home, I feel bad if he comes at home to the chaos. So I stopped thinking of having cleaning for other people. I want to clean and have the purpose of getting things done and decluttered and the hot spots picked up and picking up the home for when my family gets home. All my children, if you're new here, all my children go to school all day. I don't have any little itty bitties anymore. My youngest is 8. She's in the 2nd grade. I want to clean my home, not for company anymore. To me, that is so stressful. The thought of what if someone comes over. I want to clean my home now, and it brings me calmness. For I want to clean for the people that live here. I want to do these things for them, not for people coming to visit my home for company. Because to me, that is just a lot more stressful. It gives me a lot more anxiety. But to do these things in my home for the people that live here, that brings me joy. That brings me calmness. This brings less anxiety because I'm loving my home, and I'm doing it with the purpose, not for other people that don't live here, but for the people who do live here. And when they come home to their home, their sanctuary, it'll bring them calmness and joy and not have, I want this to be a place of refuge, which it is, but even more. So having a purpose and intention of why we do things. Why do we do the things that we do? Yes, a lot of the times we do a lot of the things that we do for other people, but is it the right people? I want to do these things for Derek, for Callie, for Jonah, for Boston, for Shaylee, for Kimmy. Okay? So ever since I've been changing my mindset on this, I feel like the weight of being perfect or having it all together for somebody else that doesn't even live here, that's crazy to me. That's crazy. But doing it for the people that I absolutely love and adore, that come over every day, my family, makes it so much more joyful and pleasant to do. So yeah, I wanted to just share this message with you today. Maybe change your mindset on why you do the things you do and who you do it for. If you have any advice, if you would like to add to this discussion, please leave your comments down below. I would love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining. If you would like to join the She's in Her Apron family, we have a lot of fun here. Click that red subscribe button. Click the bell notification so you know when I upload. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks for joining me, friends. We'll see you soon. Bye.